Hello, it's Adam. And
Petri.
Petri is on today and is feeling a little anxious and worried.
And I don't know why, but it's like I got a bunch of things swimming in my stomach like butterflies.
It's one of the signs of anxiety. If you have some stuff going on in here in your tummy and it doesn't feel right, or in your head,
Or in your wings.
sometimes even in your wings. With me, I clench my fists and I sometimes keep my arms really tight, and it doesn't really help me feel good.
So what can we do?
Well, let's try to think of some things. Well, first of all, if our hands or wings are clenched, we can throw our hands up.
Like this?
Yep. Or we can sing a favorite song,
Yeah, we can do that.
and then that'll help the butterflies fly away.
Okay.
You can nod your head, like, yeah,
Yeah.
moving your body, like, yeah. And so I throw my hands up, I sing my song, the butterflies fly away, nodding my head, like, yeah, moving my shoulders, like, yeah. I threw my hands up, they're playing my song, you know I'm gonna be okay.
Yeah. Anxiety go away.
There you go. It's a way to remember. When you start feeling tense, you can say, I throw my hands up, I sing a favorite song to make the butterflies fly away. Nodding my head, like, yeah, moving my shoulders, like, yeah. Throw my hands up, they're playing my song, I know I'm gonna be okay.
Yeah. Anxiety go away.
There you go. It's just something you can do when you are feeling anxious. Think about that.
I'm feeling a little better.
I hope everybody else feels good today too. And if you're feeling anxious, I hope you feel a little better too. Stretch your body, think about a favorite song, and make those butterflies fly away. Thank you, everybody.